Alright, well, Vietnamese auto major VinFast has now officially arrived into India, announcing two new EVs for the year 2025. And I'm joined by Mr. Patil, the Deputy CEO for India market. Thank you so much for speaking to us, sir. Two new EVs we have now, and what made the Vietnamese major VinFast come to India? What opportunities did they foresee before announcing their plant and of course making significant investments?
See, I think India in general today is a land of opportunity, Talking about particularly for auto business, everything here is quite encouraging and inspiring. Specifically, if you talk about the market size, it is the third largest market. And in EV sector also, there are a lot of, supporting policies coming up at the government level. The overall ecosystem is getting developed in terms of the charging infrastructure and other auto component OEMs are there. Also, there is a lot of a lot of launches which are happening from the established players also in the EV segment. And among all of them, standing as a pure EV manufacturer, is I think will give a lot of credibility to our brand among the Indian consumers. So I think this is the right time for India because 25 onwards, I think, will be the years of EV in India, and that is where we thought to come in India with a long-term commitment, and hence we decided to establish our plant at Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu.
And what is the status of the plant? How much have you invested, and what would be the capacity of that plant?
So our commitment over a period of time is $500 million US, and the plant is progressing very fast as per our targeted timelines. In 25 calendar year, you will see the plant getting completed, and along with it, you will also see our cars on road before festival period. The capacity initial will be 50,000 units per annum, which can be enhanced up to 1.5 lakhs over a period of time based on market demand.
Okay. Also, if I ask you on the infrastructure, EV manufacturing is still a process that you can do. But India market is very peculiar when it comes to the infrastructure, and people don't want to really buy EVs because there's no less infra. But what are you doing to establish infrastructure? Any charging station that you're planning to put up? What is the plan there?
Okay, first just a brief about it. See, charging infrastructure, or what we call a EV infrastructure, I think more it is about the mindset rather than the reality. Yes, there is there is a scope for further development which is always there, but I think first we should we should utilize whatever available. So that optimum utilization of existing infrastructure is yet to happen. Yes, of course, as a company, we are into the e-SUVs, e-scooters and bikes, and we have e-buses also. So that is about the mobility. We also have our separate company within our group, which is into the setting up the charging stations. We have set up more than 120,000 charging points in Vietnam. We are doing it in other countries also, and India also we are studying. And you may soon find, we may come up in India with our charging infrastructure as well. So this study is on.
And 2025 we have saw two models coming up. What are the product pipeline that we are looking at? Are we looking at small cars as well, passenger vehicles with respect to SUVs or sedans? What all portfolio would you like to introduce in India going forward?
So essentially, all our cars are e-SUVs. And we will continue to focus on the SUV, which is the current demand from the customer. The design element should be the SUV-ish. So we will be there. To start with, in 25 we have introduced our premium SUV VF7 and then VF6. And these cars are customized based on the Indian customer requirement. We have shown our global range. We will continue to study the market, and basis on the right fitment of the product, we are open to bring product based on customer preference.
Mr. Patil, wishing you all the best. Hoping your cars literally change the way Indians drive EV. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.